The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use a sky guide on your Galaxy Enhance X app. So with the sky guide on the Galaxy Enhance app, you can identify stars and constellations in your night sky photos. So this is for fun and educational only. So let me show you how to use this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up Galaxy Enhance X. Now here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down and find the downloadable feature. And you go ahead and download this sky guide. So with this, you can discover stars and constellations in your night sky. So make sure you install this. Now, once installed, you want to go ahead and tap on select picture or video. Then you want to go ahead and choose a photo where you've taken a picture of the sky. So that sky photo needs to have some stars. And then you want to go ahead and tap on this creative tab. Now next, you want to go ahead and find this sky guide. As you can see, it cannot find any constellation on that. Hence, it's basically telling me not enough stars found in the image to show a sky guide. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any picture. However, if the app does detect a star constellation, this button will basically light up and you can go ahead and tap on this and you can basically see what constellation those are. And you can basically identify stars and the constellation in your photos. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the sky guide feature on your Galaxy Enhance X app on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.